Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. We're here at my Pilates studio in Los Angeles, and today we are going to talk about rowing because you guys love rowing so much. And we're doing rowing on the Cadillac, which is not an often place you can do it. It's a very challenging place. I definitely recommend that you play with it and see what the benefits are doing it and give it to the clients who need it. It is not for maybe a beginner because it's definitely harder here than it is on the reformer in a lot of ways, especially this series, this rowing 3 and rowing 4. So from the chest and from the hips is really challenging for me. So on the reformer, you hook your thumbs, but here on the Cadillac, you have your hand on the top. So reformer, your thumb is on the bottom, hand here, right? Does that make sense? See the difference? We're going to do, this would be on the reformer, we'd hook our thumb, and then on the Cadillac, we'll hook our hand. So, and the reason is I don't think you really want the Cadillac spring going underneath your armpit. It's not so fun. So the further you are away from the springs, the harder it's going to be. If you're really tight in your hip flexors and lower back, this is probably not the exercise for you. So you're going to be here. And from the chest, right, we have no tension here, which on the reformer, there's a little bit of spring action. Then we're going to reach forward. Now, these springs are trying to pull me back. I am trying to use my legs pushing into the Cadillac and my waist to help me sit up tall against the spring. Then I'm going to lower my arms. I'm going to lift my arms, which makes this really hard because it wants to pull me back. And I have to stay up. And I'm going to reach wide into the springs and go down. So let's do that again, right? There's no tension here. Easy. Boom. It's a lot harder now. I use that tension of the spring to help me pull my center into my waist and lift up, right? So if you do stomach massage, the spring action really helps lift you up, right? This is a really helpful exercise for that. So you can do 3 to 5 of those. From the hips, we'll flex our feet, round forward. You slide your hands out, you lift up, it's going to pick you up. You're not going to have any problems there. But then you have to stay up against the weight of the springs and then open them out to the side. Reach forward, lift, up, 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 and then reach them down. One more time. Round forward, reach, lift them up, and then open them out to the side. What I love about these is how much you can truly feel your midline working for you. Your legs have to really hug together and press down. You're also going to feel how much this can help lift you up. So then when you go back to doing your rowing on the reformer, you can channel what you learned here. So it's a really good teaching tool. Again, if you're super tight in your lower back and hip flexors, it might not be the spot for you. You might want to go to the baby chair. Might be better. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our how-to videos. And if you have any requests, I'm happy to hear them. I'm so grateful that you're here. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.